And so that's, as soon as we got here, we walked into affliction. And we've been afflicted 400 years and still being afflicted to this day. That's what the scripture says about us. It's a history. It's written to us, for us, and about us. Verse 14, Genesis 15 and 14. But that nation whom they serve, I'm going to judge, and afterward let them come out with great possession. Now that happened in the land of Egypt. The Most High brought us out through the hand of Moses. But this time he's going to bring us out through the hand of Yahusha, Jesus. He's going to bring us out with a great and mighty deliverance. And he's going to judge the nation that put us in captivity. All the other nations of the earth are enemies of the Most High. Wherever we're scattered, whatever nation we're in, the Most High is going to judge that nation. But he's going, after he finished judging them, afflicting them, he said afterwards, and let them come out with great possession. We're going to go into the promised land again. And this time we ain't leaving. We're going to be there forever. We're going there with great possessions. Everything that they've taken from us, oh, we're getting it back in tenfold, 100-fold. If you only knew how much more above they lived than us. That's how we supposed to live, but because we acted a fool and didn't do right, didn't obey the command. But we won't see this until the Most High returns. That's why we live for the kingdom of heaven. That's why it says seek first the kingdom of heaven, because don't set your treasures on earth. Set your treasures in the kingdom of heaven. That's where our treasures are. But we want to set our heart on the things of this earth. Everything in this earth is temporary. It's passing away. The kingdom of heaven is going to stand. It's not passing away. It's going to be a new heaven and a new earth. But we're supposed to trust in the Most High. We're not supposed to trust in these possessions, worldly possessions. And see, that's the thing. A lot of us start getting blessed. We like that rich man. He used to come and follow me. He went away sad because he had so much stuff. Don't put your trust in your stuff. Put your trust in the Most High. Obey the scriptures. Verse 15, and the messengers of Yahuah called to Abraham a second time from heaven. And so the Most High told Abraham to go up and offer Isaac as a sacrifice. And Abraham obeyed. No hesitation. He's okay. And so the messenger called out to Abraham, oh, hold up, wait a minute, Abraham. Don't do it. I see that you believe me now.